factory of 352. So 352, it can be written as 2 times 176. 2 times 176 means 352. 176, it can be written as 2 times 88. 2 times 88 means 176. 88, it can be written as 2 times 44. 2 times 44 means 88. 44, it can be written as 2 times 22. 2 times 22 means 44. Now 22, it can be written as 2 times 11. 2 times 11 means 22. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2. These all 2 are the prime numbers, and at last 11. So we can write 352 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these 2, and at last this 11. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.